What we got here is some of the finest vegetables you will ever see in your life.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
I'm sorry guys, but I had to interrupt the program. You guys left me no choice. I couldn't just sit here and not say anything and just be quiet about it and not shoot a video regarding this topic. It's something many of you have been saying about me, and I think it's time to address it. Is it me, or does Bryan have a little bit of Adam Sandler in him? He's a mix between Adam Sandler and Tony Montana to me. I could see him saying, "Say hello to my little friend," while picking up the glass of celery juice. Honest. LOL, if Adam Sandler and the butler from Mr. Deeds had a baby, he'd grow up to be this guy. Spanish Adam Sandler. Oh my god, my daughter just said he looks like the waterboy make instead of Great Spanglish. Vid, bro. You the Chicano exactly. Adam Sandler. Okay, could be his long lost brother. Celery. Yeah, thought the same thing. He's funny too. Nah, bro, I said the same thing. I'm so glad it everyone has me that sees it. LOL, OL. They must be cousins. Apparently, I look like Adam Sandler. You know what? Honestly, I don't see it. But when a few thousand people are leaving it down in the comments and agreeing with it, giving it a thumbs up, your mind starts to play tricks with you. You start to wonder, do I really look like Adam Sandler? But you guys know what? It's hard not to deny the obvious. Adam Sandler and I, we have our differences. Now you might be asking yourself, what are they? How are we different? Well, let me tell you. I went to the Googs. Shout out to my friend Jack Black. I was able to find my answer, or my multiple answers, because there were multiple questions. Anyway, I'm gonna tell you guys how we're different. You guys are going to enjoy it. So good. All right, guys. On to the differences. Number one, Adam. According to Wikipedia, he's half Russian, half American. He was born in New York. My parents are Colombian. That makes me half Colombian, half American. I was born in Maryland. I'm Hispanic. I guess you could say he's Caucasian. I don't know. Would that be considered Caucasian? I don't know. Anyway, I'm Hispanic. He's not. That's difference number one. Difference number two. Adam, he's 5'10". That's what they say. Who knows how tall he is with shoes? I'm 6'2" without shoes. So it might not look like it on camera, but I am 6'2". And you know what? I know he likes basketball. I bet you if we were to play 1-on-1, I would beat him. I would crush him. I'd probably even give him a 5-point lead, just to make it fair. This one really concerns me, guys. Number three. He's 52 years old. I'm 28. What does that say about me? Do I look like a 52-year-old? Are you guys talking about current state right now, or when Adam Sandler was younger? Something to be really concerned about, because that would mean that none of this juicing is actually working. Am I getting younger or older with the juice? I don't know. You guys let me know in the comments below. And number four, isn't it obvious? Adam Sandler's an actor. I have never acted a day in my life. I don't know what it's like. I don't know what it's like to be on the big screen. I don't know what it's like to have thousands of people laugh at me, at my jokes. I wonder what it would be like.
Would you like to try writing some words in cursive on the blackboard today?
Okay, sure.
Okay, how about the word dugout? Okay, good. How about bunt?
Bunt. B-U-N-T. Imperfect cursive. Any more brain busters?
Risotto.
Z. C.
Rudolph?
Those are Z's.
They look like R's to me.
That's not fair. Rizzuto's not even a word. He's a baseball player. You're cheating.
Would you like to try the word buzz?
I hate cursive and I hate all of you! I'm never coming back to school! Never!
When I played this in my head, it looked different. It was kind of funny in my head. Now that I watched this and performed it for myself, I was like, what the heck did I just do? So there you have it, guys. Felt like I had to get this off my chest. I couldn't sleep at night. Just kidding. It wasn't up to that point. But if you guys deeply and honestly believe that I look like Adam Sandler, check out this photo right here. I uploaded it on my Instagram. Go give it a thumbs up. Tag Adam Sandler himself so he can find out and see for himself that he has a twin, a Latino twin, a Latino Adam Sandler. That's what you guys are saying in the comments, not me. Those aren't my words. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below, because the next video you guys are gonna watch is gonna blow your mind. It's not a threat. It's just I don't know. I just feel like saying. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.